Hi friends, welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important current affairs in the month of April. It is part 3. Part 1 and part 2 has already uploaded. This video is very useful for all competitive exams for banking, SSC, railways, group exams. For all competitive exams, these videos are very useful. Please be watch carefully. Let's start. Name the public sector bank which has initiated 4 schemes for self-help groups, follow-on public offering and forming community to tackle the impact of COVID-19. Answer is Bank of Baroda. Recently, Bank of Baroda has initiated 4 schemes for self-help groups and follow-on public offer and forming community. The headquarter of Bank of Baroda is Vadodara and MD CEO is Sanjeev Chadda. Next, Small Industries Development Bank of India announced to provide emergency working capital up to how much for small and medium enterprises? Answer is 1 crore. Recently, SIDBI announced to provide up to 1 crore rupee as a capital for small and medium enterprises. It is emergency working capital. The headquarter of SIDBI is Lucknow and establishment year of SIDBI is 1990 and chairman of SIDBI is Muhammad Mustafa. Next, name the private sector bank which has extended the bank assurance with Max Life Insurance for 5 years and dedicated financial year 21 as year of the customer. Answer is Yes Bank. Recently, Yes Bank has extended bank assurance with Max Life Insurance for 5 years and dedicated financial year 21 as year of customer. The headquarter of Yes Bank is Mumbai and CEO is Prashant Kumar. Next, with which public sector bank the government telecom operator BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay UPI based payment platform? Answer is State Bank of India. BSNL has partnered with State Bank of India and launched Bharat InstaPay UPI based platform. The headquarter of State Bank of India is Mumbai and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Next, name the private bank in India which has launched voice assistance based banking services on its integrated artificial intelligence chatbot iPal with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Answer is ICICI. The headquarter of ICICI is Mumbai and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Next, with which healthcare startup Rajasthan government has partnered to tackle COVID-19 using integrated solution Ayu and Sahat Sati app? Answer is Medcodes. Recently, Rajasthan government has partnered with Medcode healthcare startup to tackle COVID-19 by using integrated solution Ayu and Sahat Sati app. Next, name the telecom company which has tied up with Paytm for Recharge Sati. Answer is Vodafone Idea. Recently, telecom company Vodafone Idea has tied up with Paytm for Recharge Sati. The headquarter of Paytm is Noida and founder of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Next, Lakshmi Narayanan has been appointed as the MD of which home finance company with effect from April 1st, 2020? Answer is Sundaram Home Finance Limited. Next, name the Indian women's cricketer who has been appointed as brand ambassador for PepsiCo. Answer is Sefali Verma. Sefali Verma, Indian women cricketer, has been appointed as brand ambassador for PepsiCo brand. Next, who is the face of RBI's Twitter campaign to adapt digital modes of payment? Answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next, name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Poker Stars India. Answer is MS Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the brand ambassador for Poker Stars India. Next, name the person who has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award given by PETA. PETA stands for People for Ethical Treatment of Animal. Answer is Naveen Patnaik. Recently, Naveen Patnaik has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award, which is given by PETA. Naveen Patnaik is the current Chief Minister of Odisha and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next, name the first English player since 2005 to be named as Wisden's leading male cricketer of the world 2020. Answer is Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes from England named Wisden leading male cricketer of the year, and Elisa Perry of Australia leading female cricketer of the world 2020. Next, what is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the 34th annual list of global billionaires 2020 released by Forbes? Answer is 17th. Mukesh Ambani rank is 17th. This list is topped by Jeff Bezos. Next, name the company which has won the Edison Award 2020 for its campaign named Club Energy has switch off to switch on. Answer is Tata Power. Tata Power has won Edison Award 2020 for its campaign named Club Energy has switch off to switch on. The headquarters of Tata Power is Mumbai. Next, External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has attended the BRICS Foreign Minister Summit recently. Who is the current chair of BRICS? Answer is Russia. BRICS full form is very important. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Recently, last year, IBPS RRBPO mains examination in BRICS, S stands for question formation like this. So, abbreviation of BRICS is important. Once again, BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Next, name the person who heads the 7-member committee formed by University Grant Commission of Ministry of Human Resource and Development that look after the examination and academic calendar of students that affected due to COVID-19. Answer is R.C. Kuhad. R.C. Kuhad is head of the 7-member committee that look after examination and academic calendar of students that affected due to COVID-19. Next, name the country which has become the world leader in intellectual patent filings at World Intellectual Property Organization patent cooperation treaty? Answer is China. China become the world leader in international patent filings. Next, name the most digitally skillful country in the world as per Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey. Answer is India. India is the most digitally skillful country in the world as per Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey. Next, name the mobile company which has acquired a weather app named Dark Sky. Answer is Apple. Recently, Apple mobile company has acquired the weather app Dark Sky. The headquarters of Apple is California and CEO of Apple is Tim Cook. Next, the central bank of which country has bought 1.01% stake in HDFC Bank? Answer is China. China's central bank, People's Bank of China, has bought 1.01% stake in HDFC Bank. The headquarters of HDFC Bank is Mumbai and chairman is Deepak Parekh. Next, name the tech giant company which has acquired 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for 43,574 crores. It is the largest FDI in telecom sector. Answer is Facebook. Facebook has recently acquired 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for 43,574 crores. The headquarters of Facebook is California and CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Next, multilateral air combat military exercise Pitch Black 2020 was cancelled. The Pitch Black 2020 conducted by Royal Air Force of which country? Answer is Australia. The Prime Minister of Australia is Scott Morrison. Next, which among the following railway manufacturing unit has developed low cost ventilator G1 to fight COVID-19? Answer is Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala. Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala railway manufacturing unit has developed low cost ventilator named G1 to fight COVID-19. Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala is in Punjab. Next, Aerobiosis Innovations, the startup that incubated at which Indian institute has developed low cost ventilator called G1 Lite? Answer is IIT Hyderabad. Next, the central government has launched initiative named Arogya Setu Interactive Voice Response System in collaboration with IIT Madras and which Indian state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. The central government has launched an initiative named Arogya Setu Interactive Voice Response System in collaboration with IIT Madras and Tamil Nadu state government. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Eddapadi K. Palaniswamy and Governor is Banwarlal Purohit. Next, Madhuban Gajar, which was developed by the farmer scientist Vallabhai Varsambai Marwania, is the bifotted variety of which fruit or vegetable? It is a carrot variety. It belongs to the variety of gajar, means carrot. Next, which country has approved the sale of Harpoon Black 2 missiles and Mk-54, the lightweight torpedoes worth of $155 million to India? Answer is US. Answer is United States. United States has approved the sale of Harpoon Block II missiles and Mk-54 lightweight worth of $155 million. The current president of United States is Donald Trump. Next, researchers of which institute has developed the cost-effective disinfect chamber named ZeroCo? Answer is NIT Karnataka. NIT Karnataka research has developed the cost-effective disinfect chamber named ZeroCo. Next, which Indian state government has launched Annapurna and Supply Mitra portals for citizens' food needs? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh state government has launched Annapurna and Supply Mitra portals for citizen food needs. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next, name the Indian ministry which has launched COVID India Seva Twitter handle to engage citizens on COVID-19 for answering real-time queries. Answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Recently, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has launched COVID India Me Seva Twitter handle to engage citizens on COVID-19 for answering real-time queries. The present Union Minister for Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is Dr. Harshvardhan. Next, which among Central Armed Police Force has launched e-Karyalay application to enable the movement of files and documents without physical touch? Answer is CISF. CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Force. The headquarters of CISF is New Delhi and Director General is Rajesh Ranjan. Next, name the IIT which has designed war boat which can deliver medicines and food to COVID-19 patients. Answer is IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar has designed war boat which can deliver medicine and food to COVID-19 patients. IIT Ropar is in Punjab. Next, the scientist of which IIT has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of the suspected patient? Answer is IIT Roorkee. Recently, IIT Roorkee has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of suspected patient. IIT Roorkee is in Uttarakhand. Next, Tokyo Olympics is rescheduled to July 23 to August 8, 2021. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? Answer is Lausanne. Lausanne, Switzerland is headquarters of International Olympic Committee. The current president of International Olympic Committee is Thomas Bach. Next, the 2021 World Games was postponed to 2022, announced by its organizers. The World Games 2021 was planned to be held at which city? Answer is Birmingham, Alabama. The headquarters of World Game Association is US. Next, what are the name of official mascots of 19th Asian Games 2022 which is going to be conducted at Hangzhou, China? The mascots of Asian Games 2022 is all 1, 2 and 3. Kong Kong, Lian Lian, Chen Chen. These three are official mascots of Asian Games 2022. Next, Mirabai Chanu and Jeremy Liringua, who is in news recently, belongs to which sports? Answer is weightlifting. Next, cricketer Sana Mir, who announced retirement recently, is the former captain of which country? Answer is Pakistan. Sana Mir is the former cricket captain of Pakistan country. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and Prime Minister of Pakistan is Imran Khan. Next, name the country which will host 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship. Answer is Serbia. India lost hosting rights because of termination of agreement. The capital of Serbia is Belgrade and Prime Minister of Serbia is Ana Brnabic. Next, who has written the book named Backstage, the story behind India's high growth years? Answer is Mantek Singh Ahluwalia. Mantek Singh Ahluwalia has wrote the book named Backstage, the story behind India's high growth years. Next, which American author and reporter has written the book named The Art of Her Deal, the untold story of Melania Trump? Answer is Mary Jordan. Mary Jordan is the writer of The Art of Her Deal and the untold story of Melania Trump. Next, name the person who authored the book titled Settling to the Top, the story of P.V. Sindhu. Answer is Krishnamurti V. Krishnamurti V is the author of Settling to the Top, the story of P.V. Sindhu. P.V. Sindhu is the Indian settler. Next, name the person who authored the book titled How the Onion Got Its Layers. Answer is Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is the author of book titled How the Onion Got Its Layers. Next, Tony Lewis. Tony Lewis, the man behind DLS method, passed away in April 2020. DLS method is followed in which sports? It is followed in cricket. Next, Muhammad Jibril, who passed away in April 2020, is the former Prime Minister of which country? He is the former Prime Minister of Libya. The capital city of Libya is Tripoli. Next, Indian American Brahma Kanchibotla, who passed away in April 2020. He is journalist. Next, Basanta Das, who passed away recently, is the former Rajya Sabha MP from which Indian state? Answer is Odisha. Basanta Das is the former Rajya Sabha MP of Odisha state. The present Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next, when was World Art Day celebrated every year? Answer is April 15. Every year, April 15 was celebrated as World Art Day. Next, when was World Dance Day celebrated every year? Answer is April 29. April 29 every year celebrated as World Dance Day. Friends, these are the important current affairs in the month of April. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.